Hello everyone, welcome back to MAPS e-learning. In this video, we shall discuss a question on the topic addition and subtraction of integers. Integers are very important in daily life. Now let's see one question from daily life on the topic addition and subtraction of integers. The question: at Srinagar, temperature was negative 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? Second question: on Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature of this day? There are two questions in this. So temperature on Monday at Srinagar, negative 5 degrees Celsius. This means below 0 degrees Celsius. On Wednesday, what happened? It is decreased dropped down or decreased by 2 degrees Celsius. So the question is, what is the temperature? What was the temperature on Tuesday? Next one, on Wednesday, what happened? It rose. That means it is increased by 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, and we want to find the temperature on Wednesday. Clear? Now let us do this question. First step, temperature on Monday. The actual temperature on Monday is negative 5 degrees Celsius. Then after that, on Tuesday, what happened? It is decreased by 2 degrees Celsius. Came down 2 degrees Celsius. So temperature dropped on Tuesday. How much it came down? 2 degrees Celsius came down, decreased. So what is temperature, actual temperature on Tuesday? Since it is decreased, negative 5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. Here, subtraction of two integers. So what is the rule for subtracting two integers? Take the additive inverse of second integer and add it. So, negative 5 degrees Celsius plus additive inverse of 2 degree, positive 2 is negative 2 degrees Celsius. So, what is negative 5 degree plus 5 degrees Celsius plus negative 2 degrees Celsius? Answer is negative 7 degrees Celsius. So, temperature on Tuesday is negative 7 degrees Celsius. Then next one, on Wednesday, it is increased by 4 degrees Celsius. So, the temperature rose on Wednesday. How much it increased? 4 degrees Celsius increased. So what is the temperature on? What was temperature on Wednesday? Since it is increased, earlier it was negative 7 degrees Celsius, now it is increased. So negative 7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius. So what is negative 7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius? It is addition of two integers. Answer is negative 3 degrees Celsius. So temperature on Wednesday is negative 3 degrees Celsius. I hope all of you understood. Thank you.